The year is 40,000. The galaxy burns. Humanity, a once mighty empire, teeters on the brink. Against this backdrop of endless war, you are a space marine, a genetically engineered superhuman warrior. Clad in ceramite armor and armed with bolter and chainsword, you stand as the Emperor's finest, a bulwark against the encroaching darkness. This, my brothers in arms, is Warhammer 40,000, Space Marine 2. Space Marine 2 throws you back into the brutal, unforgiving universe of the 41st millennium. It's a galaxy where there is only war, where mankind battles for survival against horrors unimaginable. You are not a diplomat, nor a politician, but a soldier, the Emperor's angel of death. Prepare to wade into the fray, to paint the ground red with the blood of your enemies. For in the grim darkness of the far future, there is only war. 10,000 years have passed since the original Space Marine carved a bloody path through the orcs. Space Marine 2 doesn't just revisit this legacy, it supercharges it. The environments are larger, more detailed, and more oppressive. The enemies, drawn from the horrifying ranks of the Tyranid hive fleets, are more numerous and more terrifying. The story, penned by yours truly, delves deeper into the grim lore of Warhammer 40,000. Expect shocking revelations, heroic sacrifices, and epic confrontations. Space Marine 2 isn't just about pulling the trigger or swinging your chainsword, it's about experiencing the raw, visceral thrill of being a Space Marine. Combat is where Space Marine 2 truly shines. The game delivers an intoxicating blend of ranged and melee combat, with a heavy emphasis on the latter. Your bolter, a weapon capable of tearing through concrete, is satisfyingly powerful. But it is the chainsword, a monstrous weapon of serrated teeth that embodies the spirit of the Space Marine. The new tactical stance system adds an extra layer of depth. Switch between stances to prioritize ranged accuracy, devastating melee combos, or a balanced approach. And then there are the executions. Brutal, visceral, and deeply satisfying executions allow you to unleash the fury of a Space Marine on your foes. Rip spines from chests, crush skulls underfoot, and unleash a symphony of violence upon the enemies of the Emperor. Section 4. The Great Devourer's Cunning. No more mindless hordes. Forget everything you thought you knew about fighting Tyranids. In Space Marine 2, the hive mind has adapted. Gone are the days of mindless hordes charging blindly into your bolter fire. The Tyranids now employ cunning flanking maneuvers, coordinated attacks, and terrifying new bioforms. Each encounter is a tense battle of wits, forcing you to think tactically and utilize the environment to your advantage. The Tyranid AI is relentless, constantly probing for weaknesses and exploiting any opening. This is no longer a simple bug hunt, but a desperate struggle against a cunning and adaptable enemy. Section 5. Forging Your Legend. Chapter Upgrades and Personalization. As you progress through the campaign, you will earn experience points, unlocking new abilities and upgrades for both your Space Marine and your chapter. Customize your loadout to fit your preferred playstyle, specializing in ranged combat, melee brutality, or a versatile blend of both. Want to become an unstoppable whirlwind of chainsword fury? Invest in the assault specialization, unlocking devastating melee combos and increased movement speed. Prefer to pick off your enemies from afar? The Devastator specialization, with its enhanced ranged weaponry and tactical grenades, might be more your style. Section 6. Emperor's Champion or Heretic's Bane, the Verdict of War. Space Marine 2 is a triumph in many regards. The combat is brutal and satisfying, the visuals are stunning, and the story, if I may say so myself, is utterly gripping. The enhanced Tyranid AI provides a genuine challenge, forcing you to think tactically and utilize your full arsenal. However, even the Emperor's finest are not without flaws. The campaign, while engaging, can feel somewhat linear at times. And while the character progression system offers a decent amount of customization, some players might find it lacking in depth. Section 7. Join the fight, battle brother, the Imperium needs you. Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine 2 is more than just a game. It's a visceral, adrenaline-fueled experience that puts you in the boots of a genetically engineered superhuman warrior. It's a chance to unleash your fury upon the enemies of mankind, to carve your legend into the annals of the Imperium. So, what are you waiting for, battle brother? Answer the call. The Emperor protects, but he also demands your service. The fate of the galaxy hangs in the balance. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.